Okay, it's finally the night of the white elephant party, and this is the gift that I am bringing for our gift exchange. Me and my sisters and my mom like to gamble every once in a while, and we always go in together on a slot machine in hopes that we get a big win. I found this slot machine. It's working. You can put real money in it, and I think it will be a hit amongst the white elephant crowd tonight. So I've got to get that wrapped up. Looks like Logan's gonna help me. And then I'm gonna wrap up these two little gifts for my nephew, just little trinkets that I got from the dollar store. I showed you that on one of these Vlogmas hauls already. All right, my gifts are now wrapped up and ready to go. I'm so excited for tonight. Oh, you know what? Here, we gotta flip this. Everyone's gotta see Baby Yoda, right? He's the most important right now. I'm out of breath. I'm looking for a certain hat because I didn't wash my hair today and I can't find it anywhere. Okay, clearly I found it, and I know it's a little excessive just for an intimate family white elephant party, but this year has been a little much, right? So I'm just gonna wear the big fancy hat to a house party. Also, does it not look like I have a crazy eyebrow situation in this thing? I don't know, maybe it's ridiculous, but I love it. I'm gonna wear it. Show me low. Oh, wow. You got presents? My mom just stole the slot machine back. I picked a good gift. All right, I am back home now and I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna keep this very short and sweet. As I said, we like gambling, but tonight was like a super gambling theme with our white elephant gifts. You guys are probably gonna think I come from a family full of degenerates, but we all clearly loved our gifts. So thank you for spending Vlogmas with me today. Thank you for watching. Please leave me and Lola a thumbs up for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you tomorrow.